Preheat your grill to 400, medium. Put it on medium, preheat to 400. And then place your steaks butter side up. 10 minutes. We add the rest of our butter. Of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, freshly grated Parmesan, 1/4 of a purple onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and red pepper flakes. Your tortilla on there, and we cook them until they are crisp and golden on the bottom. A little cheese, some of our steak, and some of the sauce. So just put that on there. Fold them. Add your onions and your garlic. Add your ground beef. And you're going to break it up and crumble it. Tomato sauce. 1/4 cup of ketchup. Dijon mustard. Push your heat to low, and we're going to let this simmer for 15 minutes. Add your dogs. Flip them over about 4 minutes in so they get that pretty grill mark. Season both sides of the chicken. Butterfly, 2 pieces of ham, 1 slice of provolone, 1 stick of butter. Now add your chicken. You could also do this in a pan on the stove, medium-high heat. We're just going to cook the chicken on both sides, 12 minutes. The chicken's internal temp reaches about 165 or so. We're going to add 2 pieces of provolone. Let it melt. Then do it to the other side. Cracking bones. And then right in the middle where her breastbone is, you just, like you're going to the chiropractor. Smush it down. Go break it. For the marinade, that's 1/2 cup of vegetable oil of any barbecue sauce that you like. 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, of the yellow mustard, onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now you add the sriracha, not like we did last time. So we're going to start with a tablespoon. Fried chicken in a giant tub so that we can marinate them. That's what you need to do too, depending, because they have to be marinated for 2 hours before we can grill them. The marinade. We're going to pour it on our chicken. Give her a massage. Pull the skin up. Can you see? Put in there. Give her a little rub. Once your chicken is charred, flip them back over, and then that marinade. Now, we cook this on medium for 40 to 45 minutes. I'm going for medium well, 4 to 5. I'm going to make a Cuban steak with the citrus mojo marinade. Both sides of your steak with your seasoning. Give it a little smoosh so it gets pressed in there. Place your seasoned steak into some Ziploc bags. Put them to the side. Add your orange juice, lemon juice, lime juice, garlic. Oh, don't throw it away. Your pepper, seeded, oregano, black peppercorns. You're going to blend this until it is completely smooth. Pour the marinade into the bags that you put your steak in. Give them a little, shake. And we're going to put these in the refrigerator and let them hang out and chill for about an hour. Preheat your grill to high. Add your steaks. I'm going for medium well, grilled and beautiful. Grab your fork and knife. We're about to dig in. Slide the steak into the marinade that we repurposed into a dipping sauce. And don't forget the flake salt. Now, it's the perfect steak. Medium high heat. 1 stick of butter. Bring your steak to room temperature and then season both sides with your kosher salt and your black pepper. When your butter is sizzling, you're going to add your steak to the pan and we're going to cook both sides. We're going to sear both sides. It's going to be like 4 to 5 minutes. We're trying to get the crust on it before we actually cook it. So, 45 minutes. And you better check it. Don't let it get all burnt. Be sure to get the fat caps. Once you're good and seared, you're going to spoon your butter all over your steak. Just beautifully. Reduce your heat to medium-low, and then cook this steak to your desired consistency. This one's going to be around 130, 135. Once your steak is done to your desired wellness or rareness, you're going to remove it from the pan, add it to a plate or another pan. Just put it somewhere. It has to rest for 10 minutes before we can cut into it. The perfect steak in 10 minutes on the cast iron. You better go make it. It's so good.